So, welcome to a brand new live stream. And if you like this daily live streams, on no case, smash up the like button and absolutely do not subscribe, guys, to this channel. Thank you very much for tuning in and throwing your two precious eyeballs at me at 12:30 a.m. here in Dubai. Yeah, it's another day, another dip, yeah? Don't buy the dip. Yeah, this is maybe the better, because tomorrow will be the dip of the dip, and the dip of the dip of the dip of the dip. First thing first, I think what you need to understand, and this is in a video tomorrow, which I really like to explain, is forget about the market 2021. Okay, that's almost a month ago. Totally different market. You will not have this in 2022. In 2022, a lot of things changes, and it starts with this guy. Okay, this guy here on this GIF, that printing money without any end, which was a paradise for all equities, for crypto, for stocks, for everything, is over. Okay, because he printed so much, the inflation goes up, and that's why they are now afraid that they are printing too much, and he's too early, and so on, too late with the rights hike, and so on. So the issue is that they are rising now, and now the question is, do they rise too fast? Because there's also a problem, right? If the economy is not so great after all, and they keep rising the rates, faster, then the government and as well the companies have no time or really the opportunity to pay up their debt, which is very, very problematic, and this is not good. Okay, so this is the questions of the stock market. So this question mark is not good. The stock market don't like uncertainty. He likes either something happen, an event, and give me the news, and the market can react, or give me the rumors and something can be done, but is it really happening or not, or what will happen, or let's be rather on the sidelines. This is what's happening right now. So I think this is something brand new for many people, specifically those who are just joined in 2021, 2020, 2019 even, right, with the big fastest bull market ever. This is not reality, guys. Okay, we have bear markets, and those bear markets can be quite brutal and boring, and you just don't move from your place, right? Like with Tesla, for example, you are just standing at $1,000, right? Then you jump a little bit on volume news, then you go back, and so on and so forth. So it's not that great for many people out there, because we like when stocks go up. Other than that, I think that it's quite good to learn how the market actually works. Okay, and let me know in the comments, guys, in the live chat where you are watching from. I have here people that already posted where they are. They disclose their precious location, which is here, for example, Belgium, Moscow, Malta, Austria. We have New Zealand even in the house. Holland, our Gallardo Steve from Netherlands. Gallardo Steve, by the way, do you own a Gallardo? Do you own a Lamborghini Gallardo, or it's just your dream car? Let us know. I think this is a question by many people here. So let's dive first. I saw that yesterday I didn't cover one of the most important parts, the the memes for Microsoft buying Activision Blizzard. Okay, after Microsoft buys Activision Blizzard, Microsoft, where Diablo 4? Okay, that's the big question. And so there's some quite interesting memes out there. Do you need help creating your new Warcraft character? Asking the clip as a head of a World of Warcraft character here. Congratulations, you've been rescued. Please do not resist. Oh my gosh, that's really interesting. I love 9gag, guys. Who don't like 9gag? Okay. Uh, those are crazy. Yeah, so yeah, funny memes, guys. I can just recommend for a little bit of let's say relaxing from the market. Go a little bit on 9gag and you will have um, a lot of fun. So Gallardo Steve says, I own a Gallardo and Virgin Galactic shares by now. Well, this is a better investment than a car, for sure. That yeah, so there's also people from Poland, Massachusetts, North Wales, El Sereno in California, Australia as well. That's quite nice. So yeah, so let's dive in. So Tesla down, and I think, guys, you know, I mentioned this a couple of times already. Tesla is, by some very interesting statistics, one of my top picks for next week. Okay, next week can be very crazy. Okay, but I will tell you maybe on Saturday or Sunday. I will prepare a video or live stream where I will go in super depth what is important for next week. But Tesla is just now at 1,000. Of course, it's a high stock price for many people, but don't look at the price. Look at the value for this company. This company will grow 50% every year, and this is a company that, you know, just so beautiful, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. Now, you remember yesterday I said, like, there's two things that you need to watch out. VIX. If the VIX goes higher, then stocks go low, okay? Now look at that. VIX basically is neutral for today. And also treasury yield is going down, which is good for tech stocks. So why we are all down? Now, that's usually, and I heard this now in the financial news as well, said a couple of times today. They said, like, it feels like a bottom. Okay, like at least a temporary bottom. There's analysts and there's brokers and there's banks and there's, you know, crazy people on Wall Street. They saying like there's room to go down to 4,200 in the S&P 500, which is, you know, another 5 to 6% in the biggest you know, index in the world. Which I think it's you know, it could be, but it's less likely. I think now we should have at least a small of a rebound. Okay, I mean, there's still the Fed news. It's already more than a week old. So guys, give us a break. Okay, so we lost about, what is it? Can I see the difference here? No, but we lost about 6%, 5% already in an index like that. You know, so. Yeah, it's time for like a brief, at least something like this here, you know, like we have seen in January 10th. At least give us like 2, 3, 4% of a recovery. That would be fantastic. Yeah, so that's quite interesting. Even though the usual, let's say, framework give us the initiative sign that it should go up, but it doesn't go up. So, you know, so maybe it's the last people now selling before, you know, this last people that sell and then it goes up. Sometimes you sell and then it goes up after that. So now I think the last people are doing. Let's see. And I'm not alone with this opinion. So again, there's a couple of people in the financial news on CNBC that I saw thinking the same. Chicken Singapore also said yesterday it feels like a bottom. Also a very good caller in timing. It's usually and when I look into those you know, stocks, I always have a look. Okay, what's in value happening? Okay, those companies like Costco, Walmart, and so on. But those are green today. So you see here, it's still a little bit shift of technology into value. And guys, I hope not so many people are owning ARK, because ARK Invest is just, oh my God. I mean, they lost so much over the last couple of months, okay? Here, like back in November, there was at 124 and they lost almost half of it, okay? So this is quite ridiculous. Obviously, Tesla is still holding, you know, the whole ship up there, but it's very, very hard for, what is her name? Katie Wood right now, okay? So let's see. I also like to look into the S&P 500 technology, which is like a technology concentrated S&P 500, and then you can see that if you compare it to the S&P 500 regular, you see the regular lost about 0.48%, like a half percent, and the S&P technology lost about double as much. So as you can see here, also another sign that technology is the one sector that is being beat up right now here, okay? Let's have a look into space. Space have another 42-week low. We reached $9, guys. We are very close to $6. End of the month, okay, when I'm able to buy a couple of more shares. I might have the beautiful, how you say it, opportunity to buy this company, which represent 80% of my portfolio, for maybe $8. Okay, this would be fantastic, but let's see. But what I definitely saw when I went through Reddit, for example, that I see more and more threats of space that are now more positive, okay? So I think that you know, now is the case where the people understand, wow, I get the company that nothing changes with the fundamentals. And people were able to purchase the stock for $45, $50 per share. If we just come to this, where we going flying again, and the stock reached 30, 40, 50, I might buy here the company for $9 only. It's a great risk of reward, okay? So let's say, let's say, you know, now we having a time where also those non-Virgin Galactic believers jump on the boat to not miss the train. Let's see, okay? What do we have? We have also Bulgaria in the house. What else? Do we have some questions here? William says, I will sell everything and go all in on Virgin Galactic at $1. Yeah. If Virgin Galactic goes to $1, guys, sell your house with your wife in it and your kids and put everything in Virgin Galactic, guys. I think that's great for a market update for you this evening. Thank you very much for tuning in. As always, don't forget to buy the dip in peace, and for no reason. Absolutely don't ever follow me on Instagram. Don't smash that like button, and don't come on the crazy idea to follow my channel. So take care and go gently into this night with a dance of Elon Musk.